Welcome to our referral program. Hey there, residential agents. This video is for you. I'm Nick Zager with Mirlo Real Estate Partners, and I'm going to share more about myself, my expertise, and explain how we can work together through the referral program to grow both of our businesses. So let's start with a little background on myself. I have been in the business of commercial real estate since 2005. I spent many years working for a landlord with a focus on listings. However, I later decided I would rather directly focus representing buyers and tenants instead. From my experience of being a landlord's agent, I am truly able to have a leg up on other agents in the field because I understand the goals and strategies of top landlords on a whole other level. Landlords and their agents are professional negotiators who know the ins and outs of the business and the market. And even though the landlords are the ones paying all the commissions, so many tenants make the mistake of not hiring their own representation, which leaves them incredibly vulnerable. And the main reason they do this is because they don't understand how agents get paid and just how much money they could save by having their own representative look out for their interests. Commercial buildings are very expensive, and commercial leases can be hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars. In fact, the typical commercial lease is anywhere between 3 to 10 years long, and all of that rent is negotiated in just a single transaction. With so much at stake, a poorly negotiated deal can cost a business tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars. So think about it. Just saving $1 per square foot can easily snowball into a huge amount of money as it accumulates over the years. And that's where I come in. I'm here to represent commercial tenants and buyers to help them have a fighting chance against landlords and sellers. Real estate is often a company's second or third highest expense, with each transaction impacting them for multiple years. And nothing makes me happier than helping to improve people's lives by saving business owners money in a workspace that best fits their needs. So we've covered what we do, but why do we want to create a referral program for residential agents? As someone who has a real estate business, I understand the importance of investing your time and energy in the most valuable way. I try to stay as efficient as possible by both providing the highest level of service to my clients and straying away from things that I know would be more of a distraction than a payoff. It is for those reasons that my team saw an opportunity to create a referral program for residential agents to refer their clients who also have commercial requirements. There are many benefits to this program. To start, you do not have to spend your valuable time learning how to do commercial transactions. Commercial and residential certainly have their differences, which is why I would never attempt to do a residential transaction. And with so much riding on each transaction, we want to make sure our clients are getting the best service. After all, your reputation is on the line. And with the referral program, you get to maintain a good reputation, or should I say great reputation, with your clients by referring them to a trusted partner who will take great care of them and give them the absolute best chance at winning the best terms for their business. All of the residential agents we have partnered with have been satisfied with the service their clients have received, which also makes them look great, too, enhancing their relationships with their clients and providing additional value. And all of this comes in a passive way of growing your business. The program we have created has a 3-tier structure, with commission structures ranging from 10 to 25%, which is determined by your level of involvement in the deal. If you just simply provide us a cold lead with your client's name and contact information, you will get 10% of the total commission with no other effort required. On the other hand, if you would like to be more involved by joining the introductory meeting with your client and potentially some follow-up meetings later on, we will give you 25% of our portion of the commission. And if your lead ends up in a completed transaction, we will honor your referral relationship with that client for life. Meaning, if years later we help your client with another transaction to renew their lease or relocate them or open up another office, we will honor that deal and we will pay you on that. The referral program can really scale your business in a whole different way. If you think about it, all of your residential clients are involved in the professional world. Some may be dentists, lawyers, business owners, Maybe they are an office manager at a financial firm who is in charge of finding suitable office space for their company. All of these types of people have commercial needs as well. So why not connect them with an ally to set them up for success? Not to mention earning a referral commission passively without investing a lot of your valuable time is a huge plus too. To learn more about my services and the referral program, check out the link down below in the description, or just reach out to me directly. Again, I'm Nick Zager with Mirlo Real Estate Partners, and I can't wait to connect with you again. Thank you for watching.